I do get a lot of phone calls from people who are worried about that, not necessarily asking if it's okay to do it, but calling after they've done it and say, I don't feel so good. Is that something that I've done that's wrong? So we do talk about body mechanics a lot during pregnancy. You know, as a pregnancy progresses, of course, things happen. You get mostly large in your lower abdomen and your center of gravity is off. Your balance is off. So for instance, you might be able to ride a bike all the way through maybe about 23 or 24 weeks pregnant. After that, it'll be a little hard to balance. And if you fall, a lot more damage can be done. So there's a lot of limitations to different movements. If we're talking about bending over forward specifically, bending over forward is probably not a great idea, even when not pregnant. You know, reaching down to pick something up off the floor, even let's say if you have another child and you're trying to pick that child or baby up, the best way to do it, of course, is bent knees, squatting down, bringing that item or that child close to your body, then standing up using your leg muscles. And as your abdominals are pretty weak during pregnancy, bending down forward can actually cause you to have trouble standing back up, or can actually cause dizziness when you stand up, because in a pregnant person, priority for blood flow always goes to the uterus and to the baby. So if you stand up quickly, what happens just physiologically is all the blood flow goes away from your head, goes to the baby, and you're going to get dizzy. And in an effort to bring your head below the level of your heart, your body is going to try to bring you back down to the floor. Hence, people who faint or fall down when they get dizzy in pregnancy. So I usually show people the right ways to bend or pick things up, and that usually solves that problem.